Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. Designing a small bathroom requires thoughtful planning and creativity to maximize the available space and create a functional and visually appealing oasis. While the limited square footage may present challenges, there are various design strategies that can turn a small bath into a stylish and efficient retreat. One of the key considerations in a small bath design is choosing the right fixtures and fittings. Opting for space-saving fixtures like wall-mounted sinks or pedestal sinks frees up floor space and creates an illusion of openness. Compact toilets with concealed cisterns or slim profiles are also excellent choices for maximizing space. When it comes to storage, utilizing vertical space is essential in a small bathroom. Installing wall-mounted shelves, cabinets, or mirrored medicine cabinets can provide storage without taking up valuable floor area. Recessed shelving or niches in the shower area offer a discreet and practical solution for keeping toiletries and bath essentials within reach. The color scheme and lighting play a significant role in enhancing the perceived size of a small bath. Light and neutral colors, such as whites, pastels, or soft grays, create an airy and open feel. Mirrors and reflective surfaces can visually expand the space by bouncing light around the room, making it feel larger and brighter. To maximize natural light, if possible, consider installing a skylight or enlarging existing windows. If privacy is a concern, frosted or textured glass can be used on windows and shower enclosures. Additionally, incorporating well-placed artificial lighting, such as wall sconces, recessed lights, or pendant lights, ensures the bathroom remains well-lit and functional during the evenings. In a small bath, the choice of materials and textures can make a significant impact. Using large-format tiles or continuous patterns on the walls and floors creates a sense of continuity and spaciousness. Seamless glass shower enclosures or open wet room-style showers can further enhance the flow and perception of space. A well-designed layout is crucial in a small bathroom. Placing fixtures strategically and considering traffic flow ensures that the space feels uncluttered and functional. Avoiding unnecessary partitions or obstacles and opting for sliding doors or pocket doors can also help save space and create a seamless look. Finally, adding touches of personal style and character can transform a small bath into a delightful retreat. Selecting beautiful accessories, such as decorative mirrors, stylish towels, and unique artwork, adds personality and charm to the space without overwhelming it. In conclusion, designing a small bathroom requires thoughtful consideration of fixtures, storage, lighting, and layout. By utilizing space-saving solutions, light colors, and strategic design elements, a small bath can become a stylish and functional sanctuary. Embracing creativity and practicality ensures that every inch of the space is optimal. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!